Hey friends, hey! So it is freezing cold, and we are supposed to have a major snowstorm, a monster storm. So before I head to the grocery store, I am heading to a brand ambassador event. I am a Thayer's brand ambassador, and Thayer's is a over a century old company that is known for their facial toner. So I didn't wear any makeup or anything today. No foundation, no blush, no mascara, no eyeliner, because it's a skin event. So I'm heading there. I hope to have a good time. I need something hot to drink. And then I'm going to the grocery store. I'm going to come back and tell you all about it. Bye bye.